Spectrum's rollout of Wi-Fi 6 routers, including models like the RAC2V1S, aims to provide faster speeds and better reliability. However, users still experience issues like signal drops, slow speeds, and setup problems. Signal drops can often be attributed to interference or router placement. Ensure your router is away from metal objects and microwaves. For slow speeds, test your connection speed using apps like Ookla Speed Test. If speeds are below your plan's rate, consider the number of connected devices. Finally, for setup problems, power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. These basic checks resolve many common problems. If basic fixes don't resolve connectivity drops, try more advanced troubleshooting. Access your router's admin panel by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Switch to the 5 GHz band for less interference, or manually change channel widths to avoid overlapping with neighboring networks. For speed issues, ensure all your devices are Wi-Fi 6 compatible. Older devices can slow down the entire network. Consider mesh networking solutions like Spectrum's pods for better coverage in larger homes. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi 6E adds the 6 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference. Wi-Fi 7 promises even lower latency, and Spectrum is investing in AI-powered self-healing networks to reduce manual troubleshooting.